Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Blackview A90 smartphone, and in today's video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the Wi-Fi settings page. Next, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G network. Tap on it, get to the network details page. In here you have the QR code that has been generated. Now just take the smartphone that you were to share the password with. In my case, I have this Nokia Android device, and all that it's left to do is to scan this QR code. I'll do it by the means of the built-in camera Google Lens. So once the QR code gets recognized, like this, you gotta tap on it. When this Join Network button appears, select it, or should I say, click on it as well. And as you will see now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. Just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.